Hey kids, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the 5-Minute Kitchen. I'm Chef Buck, and today we're making America's favorite meat. Yeah. And now, I hear your little voices out there in TV land saying to yourself, "Oh, Chef Buck, them look like they smaller and darker than cow steaks." And you'd be right. Guys, you might not know this about me, but not only am I the beloved character Chef Buck right here on your FNN TV, but I also own Uncle Buck's rare discount specialty meats right down there on Highway 78. You're going to want to spice your meat. Now, right here, I have none other than Colonel Sanders' own 12 special herbs and spices. It's a complete secret, and let me tell y'all one thing, there's only 5 herbs and spices in there, and I wouldn't consider any of them an herb or a spice per se. We're gonna spice the meat, and what we're gonna do next is lay this spice side face down in a preheated pan. And you might be asking, well, Chef Buck, what's the best kind of grease to use? And now here, we've actually got like 90% gopher. Well, you heard me right. You're like, canola? Sunflower? No. Gopher oil. It takes about 5 of them critters, but you render it down and it gives you the purest steak frying oil there is. An antelope. Oh, listen to that sweet baby sizzle. All right. Because we're going to give her about 1 or 2 minutes to crisp up on this side. Then we're going to flip her. I'm not encouraging drinking, but it is okay to have a little fun every now and again. Some people out there might be saying, is that donkey? Is that emu? Is that ostrich? Is it otter or monkey? And I ain't telling. But from time to time, we have had all those things in at Uncle Buck's fantastic discount specialty meats. I'm saying if you're the polar bear at the Memphis Zoo and you've had a nice little iceberg tank to swim around in, nice steady meals your whole life, you've been beloved by kids and parents alike, and all of a sudden, well, your old age, you died, your carcass does not go to waste. We take you and we beloved you in our stomachs and you become us. You can enter the polar bear or have it enter you, but in a stomach way, not in a weird other kind of way. I don't know what you're thinking out there in TV land, but it's probably depraved. Frying for about 2 minutes, time to flip them onto their other side. Many horses are really kind of the pig of the future, and people just aren't tuned into it yet. They don't realize that yet. There's a bit of reticence on the part of the American consumer to go for horse. Best shit like this. People like to imagine you have plenty of chickens and hams and cows running around, but sometimes things get tough, and you have to eat the raccoons and the llamas and the ferrets of the neighborhood. Why do we humans limit ourselves like 3 or 4 animals to eat? I'm saying you should expand that to at least 12 to 16. I ain't saying it isn't llama, but I also ain't saying I don't have a pretty sweet Peruvian connection. Take it how you will. And got some meat right here in a 500-piece puzzle that is a panoramic view of the Fjordkajal Glacier in Iceland. You want to help put that together with me? Finished and frame it, put above my coffee table. People will know I'm accomplished. Can you eat human? Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah, just come here.
What? What?
We can't have you say that.
You can't have me say it. Bob said it was fine. I got my First Amendment rights, probably up to 50th Amendment. I got rights.
We can't have you do that,
Yeah, I got the message.
We just can't,
Look, I'm going to play ball for corporate. I'm going to play ball.
No, don't.
In fact, quit documenting this. Quit documenting this because, you know what? I'm done. I'm done with you. All right, look at this. Is it a bison or a goat, a ferret or... antelope. No one knows. It's Uncle Buck's specialty meats. Bison or fox, otter or ox. I overcooked this and I feel spiteful against myself, but I shouldn't. Tomorrow's a new day. I'll cook some emu another way. Blah, 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 blah. There is like a 30% chance it might be human. But my bet is on emu. I've seen a lot of emu that looks like it. By the way, guys, I do catering.